Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the structure and function of heart in Scoliodon. We are going to discuss about the position of heart, structure of heart, functions of heart and questions based on it and the references for this topic. The learning outcomes are you will be able to study the position of heart in Scoliodon. You will be able to learn the structure of heart in detail. And you will be able to understand the functions of heart in Scoliodon. I am Dr. P. Rosina George, Assistant Professor in Geology, St. Joseph College for Women, Visakhapatnam. As in cyclostomes and other fishes, heart of Scoliodon receives venous blood only which it pumps into gills for aeration. Such a heart is called a venous or branchial heart. Let's see the position of heart. The heart is situated mid-ventral in head beneath the pharynx, supported below by the coracoid cartilages of the pectoral gill. It lies within the pericardial cavity in a two-layered membranous pericardium. Let's discuss in detail the structure of the heart. Heart is a bent muscular tube and consists of the receiving parts comprising of a sinus venosus and a dorsally placed auricle, and the forwarding parts consisting of a ventricle and a conus arteriosus. The sinus venosus is a thin-walled tubular chamber. It is highly contractile and the beating of the heart originates from this part. Two great veins, the ductus cuveri, opens into the sinus venosus, one on each lateral side. Two hepatic sinuses enter the sinus venosus posteriorly. The sinus venosus opens into the auricle by a sino-auricular aperture which is guarded by a pair of walls. The auricle is a large triangular and thin-walled chamber situated dorsal to the ventricle but in front of the sinus venosus. The auricle communicates with the ventricle through a slit-like auriculo-ventricular aperture guarded by two libbed walls. The receiving chambers, that is sinus venosus and auricle, receive the venous blood from all parts of the body. The ventricle has a very thick muscular wall. Its inner surface gives many muscular strands which gives it a spongy texture. It is an oval chamber and constitutes the most prominent part of the heart. The conus arteriosus is a stout median muscular tube arising from the ventricle. The lumen of the conus arteriosus is provided with two transverse rows of semilunar walls. To keep the walls in position, the free ends of the walls are attached to the ventricle wall by fine tendinous threads called chordae tendinae. The conus arteriosus is continued forward as a ventral aorta. Let's discuss the functions of heart. The function of heart in Scoliodon is to receive the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body and to pump it for aeration to the gills. Such a type of heart is designated as a venous or branchial heart because only the deoxygenated blood circulates through. Now take a pause and discuss and answer these questions. The heart of Scoliodon receives venous blood, both venous and arterial blood, blood only from gills. Sinus venosus receives blood from ductus qveri and hepatic sinuses, ventral aorta, hepatic sinuses. Answers are: heart of Scoliodon receives venous blood, sinus venosus receives blood from ductus qveri and hepatic sinuses. In summary, the heart of Scoliodon is efficiently designed to meet the metabolic demands of this active predator, ensuring effective circulation and oxygenation of blood. These are the references for this topic. Thank you.